Alright, so let me give you a little bit of an overview about our featured company for today, which is KAIQI Group Company Limited. So the company was established in 1995. Now, they are known as the first factory to supply non-powered playground equipment here in China. So they have actually two production centers, one in Shanghai and one in Wenzhou, where I am here right now. So KAIQI is actually your one-stop solution for production, research and development, plan and design, sales and installations, and operations management. And KAIQI actually specializes in two categories. These are the outdoor and indoor playground and preschool education. Here, the CE certification, all right, awarded to KAIQI Group. And then I have here their ISO certification as well, ISO 14001. I have here the ISO 45001. I have here their CE certification as well, or plaque. This is for Germany. There you go, was awarded from Germany. And then also their GS certification as well from TUV. And then, of course, this is a certified ISO 9001 factory. All right, here's their certificates. It's KAIQI Group Company Limited. They have 114 machines. So 107 of them are actually domestic machines, or they're made in China, and 7 of them are actually imported machines that were imported from abroad. Let me talk about their rotational molding workshop. So in this rotational molding workshop, they have several of them. Actually, they're in the other building. And the production process actually is from grinding to mixing to pouring into the mold, baking it for 1.5 to 2 hours. And you have to cool it down as well, demolding, and then shaping, trimming, and then packaging, and then storage. Basically, all these processes are happening right here at the factory. So I'm actually here right now in this facility where all their designers are located at. So all these guys are actually talented. They have the of course, you gotta have the 3D Max knowledge, you know, Corel Draw, Photoshop, all these 3D modeling skills should require all these skill sets. So like our friend over here is actually kind of designing and tweaking this part of a playground. I think it's the pirate ship playground, but it kind of looks a little bit different because keep in mind, guys, the designers can also redesign their existing products. That is their job as well. Now, they have two teams, all right? So here are the designers, and the other building, they have the research and development employees. So these are two teams separated. They have different functions. They have a total of 60 employees under this department.